I've unleashed the birds, or uncaged the birds. They are currently checking out the new stuff. And seems like the female there, Ruka, the one in the middle, she is breaking one off and carrying it to the nest. Oops. A little bit of a dispute. Yeah, she'll get another. And here's little Annie. She's not, this will be her first time building a nest, so hopefully she knows what she's doing. Or she learns from her mom and her dad. She looks like she's having fun. They're just destroying stuff and dropping it. Not sure if they have checked out their nest just yet, but hopefully they build a nest. And then it cuts out some of their territorial disputes, because they've been really horrible lately, constantly bickering and fighting over different areas in our place and the rooms that we let them in. So hopefully this will solve that. They are really busy. Oh boy, they're loving it. I got to get the little guy out. Come here. Come here, little one. Come here. Come on out. Come on. Come here. Okay, geez. Okay, come on. You gotta have fun too. Come here. Don't be shy, it's just a camera. Come on. Come here, sweets. Come here, little guy. Come here. Okay, relax. Relax. Okay, here. Go investigate. Go ahead. Go on and investigate. See, he just stays up there. That's his favorite spot. I don't know if you can see it. Yeah, right there. That's his favorite spot. He doesn't move much, but hopefully he can check some of this out, because it looks like they're having fun. Hey, relax. No fighting. I'll have to shut this off, break these up. They're fighting too much. Okay, well, what is this? Oh, is that Ruka? Hi, Ruka. Hi, sweets. Busy little bird. Uh-oh. He's checking it out. No? Okay. He's interested. What's all that noise? What is all that noise? I think he likes it. This should keep him busy for a little while. Okay. Now I'll upload this and let you guys see how our birds are crazy. The sun's not very good. Okay, that's enough.